Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change a YouTube channel name on YT Studio. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the YT Studio. So after opening the YouTube Studio, so here you can see profile icon on the top right corner. So click on it. So after this you can see pin icon, so click on pin icon, and then you can see my YouTube channel name. So here you can see a pin icon again on the right side of the profile of the YouTube channel. So click on the pin icon. So after this here you can see your YouTube channel name. So here select any channel name. So after selecting, click on save options. So you can see the channel name is changed. So guys, in this way you can change a YouTube channel name very easily. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.